Mm, mm, mm. These veggie straws are so good. Mm. What? We're live? Bro, you gotta tell me this shit. What's up, everybody? Sorry I haven't been getting to the updates, but I got higher than the barometric pressure of Hurricane Francine, and I took a nap. It happens. But I was woken up by the wind. I could hear it outside. Latest update, she's here. She's blowing hard, and she's really wet. No, I'm not talking about your mom on the weekend. I'm talking about Hurricane Francine. She's hitting the coast of Louisiana right now. So y'all need to stay safe, stay vigilant, because the winds will be getting higher. And so will I. But, we're here in Louisiana. We do what we got to do. And we drink. Yeah. Stay tuned for more updates. I'm going to snack some more veggie straws.